Ignite. Do you have any things, objects that remind you of people or ideas that are important to you? Chunk into pieces, look around your house and find 3 things that represent you, things that are important to you, things that you can tell a story about, things that you made yourself. Chew on it. This is pretty much a grown-up show and tell. We're showing things and then talking about how they are important to us. For in-person school students, narrow it down to one object that is rugged, tough enough to use as a talking piece during in-person circle. And distance learning at home, people can use things that might break easily because you can just take a picture and upload it to Schoology. And we'll be happy to hear about what you picked. These are the discussion prompts. The object I decided to share is, the object is important to me because. And the bonus round is write a haiku. You probably remember 5 syllables, 7 syllables, and then 5 syllables. Thank you, students.